Hi, today I'm gonna draw Knuckles from Sonic. I am gonna start with the shoe. I'm gonna add a curve, then a rectangle. I'm gonna add line, half circles, curve, then I'm gonna connect. I'm gonna draw a rectangle, then another line so I can draw the other shoe, the left shoe. I'm gonna draw rectangle, half circles, line, and I'm gonna add these lines. Notice that are a little bit curved because this is gonna be the knuckles of my character, so it's gonna be the hand. Okay, I'm gonna add triangles, 1, 2, line, a line for the leg and the other line. I'm gonna add a curve for the body, line, and connect. Line going up, diagonal, line and a diagonal, curve. I'm gonna add the nose of my character, curve, line, connect, diagonal, curve, and I'm gonna connect. Gonna add an extra line and part of the eyebrow. I'm gonna finish with the eye, curve, connect, and I will add the oval to finish the eye. Okay, now I am gonna add a line that's gonna go down and up, down and up, and last one, down and up. I'm gonna start here with the forehead and then I'm gonna finish all of the head and connect like that. I'm gonna draw the mouth, finish with the hand and the arm. Here it gets a little bit complicated because the hair, it's covering the body, so I'm gonna add a line like that because it's like overlapping. Okay, I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna add another curve there. Now I'm gonna go with the other arm, square, curve. I'm gonna add the details here so it looks finished. Okay, I'm gonna go back to this hand, curve. This is gonna be a finger, then curve and connect. I am gonna add the triangles, rectangle, curve, and another rectangle. I'm gonna finish the details of the microphone, and I think I'm gonna add a little bit more details here so it looks finished. Okay, perfect. Now it looks better. I am gonna add a little bit of red, and also here I noticed I missed the rectangle and the line for the legs. I'm gonna continue and I'm gonna color all of my character red. If you want to change the color, that's fine. Then I'm gonna color the mic, everything else. And this is how it looks. I hope you liked the tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time.